Hey everybody, me again, Tanner from Practical Paracord. Today's goal is to show you how much power and accuracy you could bring with a smiley sling cuff and just a little string. Stay tuned. I have my smiley sling cuff with its string compared to my other smiley sling. Alright, I want to show you the distance this thing got. I feel like the wind took that one. Whoa. Just out of my knot. Here you go, do something fancy for y'all. Y'all seen that one? Now, patriotic smiley sling. I don't think she's gonna make the distance, but you're gonna hear her. I guess it's something about the braid a little thicker, gives you a little more swing action. See how straight it is too? You just can't mess with a smiley sling, y'all. Now I'll show you that. See if I can hit the target. Smiley sling, baby. Gonna go home without one. End it off with a big note. This is Tanner from Practical Paracord. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that little notification bell.